Hi everyone, welcome back to Steve Talk Tech and AI. Today I'll show you how to build your first Power App in just 15 minutes, a simple tax track app that connects with your Microsoft 365 Excel file. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to have your Excel file created, right? And also have your make.powerapps opened. Now let me just quickly do that. Now this is make.powerapps. When you type make.powerapps, it brings you to this environment, right? And then since we're creating a tax tracker, we created a file using our Excel. So our Microsoft 365 tool we're using today is Excel. It's going to act as our database, right? Our data where all our information is stored. Now since it is tracking, what is it tracking? So I named it a tracker new, right? So it's saved in my Excel file online. Now Excel has both online and offline, right? So I've saved it as a task tracker app, right? So what the task about is going to record who is it assigned to. So it's just assigned to like different people, due date and the status. Is it done, is it in progress, or is it yet to get started? All right, so once you've created that, I will make another video of how you can create in your Excel. You can I used Copilot to create this um data for me, so you can use your AI to create your data for you. Now back to Power Apps, right? So it's about creating an application in the shortest period of time. So we have different items by the left side of the screen, different icons rather. We have the home, we have the create, the learn, the plans, the app, the AI app, the tables, the flow, the solutions, the websites, more, and Power Apps. I would also create another video just breaking down some of the tools or some of the icons that we can use in our Power App. So now what we're doing is let's create, right? We're creating an app. Now when you're creating an app, it asks, are you creating from Copilot, are you creating from data, are you creating from page design, or are you creating from scratch? For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to create with data. Remember, we're creating from our Excel data, right? Yes. So while that is loading, it's asking us other ways to get started, then upload it directly. Now when you're choosing an option to create a table, it says just like it showed us initially, is it start with Copilot, start with SharePoint list, import an Excel file, or create a new CSV, or start from blank? So we will be going with import since we already have it in our device. So we create here and import it. I downloaded it from the online to my device in case I needed to upload it. So it's loading, right? So you can zoom it actually to even see what's about. So it has the tax name, assigned to, due date, and status, right? So you can do a lot of things here. You can add new table, you can create relationship, you can build table. So let's view our table, right? Let's see what it so let's be sure that it has exactly one. And then if we want to add, we can come here to add what we want to add. So that's basically it. So we're going to save and open an app. So it tells you thanks opening your app. So it's creating the application for me. I mean, this is the easiest part of it, and that's why it can be done in the shortest time, right? So it's even loading it and then it's creating for me. So it's loading, and it said the data source this was added to your app. So it's letting me know that I have a data source now. So it said, do you want to preview my app? So let's preview. We can preview by playing, we can see the properties, we can comment, we can app checker if it's not well placed or something, we can share it, so we can play it, we can save. So let's quickly save. So what are we saving it as? Tax tracker app, right? So we're going to save it and got it. So let's play it, let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks, right? So if we can come here and add new, so if, who is it going to be assigned to? Let's say um schedule post on social media. Who is it going to be assigned to? Let's say it's going to be assigned to Jessica. And when is it due? You can come here, check when it's due. Let's say on the 7th. You can say okay, by what time? Let's say by 8 a.m. we want it to be done. So the status is not started, or rather pending, and then we can save it. Okay, sorry. So we can come here and the tax. So what tax are we giving Jessica? Let's say drop analytics from social media posts. So we'll click good now, and so it added to Jessica. So this is like the beauty of it. And then another beautiful thing about Power Outage, it's now very, you can see it in a tablet form, you can see it in your phone, you can see it even on your system. So let's see it. So let's see if it's possible to show. But anyway, this is basically it. So you can come here and edit it. Let's go back to see if we can do some edits. Say okay. So we can come here and change the color, right? So if you want to change it, we can change the color. We can even add a home screen. We can add a welcome home screen if we like. So it's adding the home screen for us. So it's asking us welcome and just giving us different features. We can decide to add some things here if we like. But basically this is just our app, and this is how it looks. So we can close this, and save, right? So we can publish it, right? So we're going to publish it, and it's going to be published to my application, right? So I can change the icon. I can change the icon here. If I can add a picture to it, I can add a description, a simple tax tracker app for a department of social services. So I can publish, I can edit, don't need to edit anything here. So I can add more pictures. I can add a picture here if I have an icon. I can come here and add an icon. I don't have any icon I'm adding for now, but you can do that. You can see more of this in saving. So yes, so we can publish it and it will be on our phone. So I can show it to you on the phone. I can send a picture or just take a picture of how it looks on the phone. So that's basically what you do when you want to create a simple application, a simple business application in the Power Apps. So see you in my next video. Bye.